Now we're running out of daylight, so I decided to, after Amy helped me get them flat, we got them pretty nice and flat here, as you can see. Well, you have to take my word for it. There's no trippers. There's no differences hardly. So what I did was, after I got them in there, or I ended up putting in some pieces and then put down some crushed stone around, and then I threw water on everything to wash off any dirt after I swept it and kind of get it ready for the concrete, the S mortar. By the way, I am using S. I checked the bag, it is S. I guess S for Sidewalk. That's not really what it stands for, but good way to remember it for me. And it'll be, I'm not sure if tomorrow's going to rain or not, but if it's not good tomorrow, I'll be doing it the next day. And then we'll concrete these in. And right after that, we're going to come up here and put the top coat on these joints, which we did yesterday. And they're going to look great.